Hey guys, as I started off, I only had a little bit seconds, so now I need to start. This is my third video, and as we got off of me mixing Tide with slime, if you haven't checked that out, go check that out. And I will be, as I said, I'm making slime. Oh my gosh. But I called it that because when I took it out the bowl and still stringy on my plate, it gets so stringy, so that's why I'm calling it stringy slime. And now I know that where it exists. Because I'm gonna go put up my bowl and everything.
This is my squish. This is really. You almost want to cup it in my squish.
Okay, so here's the slime that I was
take
talking
this
about.
so we can bear it.
I'm gonna show y'all.
You put my slime.
I'm gonna show y'all how.
Okay, this is my sister. She opened a slime thing. So she'll come in and I'm gonna find it a little.
Okay. This is my biggest slime right here.
That's the biggest
too much
slime
slime.
she made.
That's my parents keep on saying this is too much slime, but it's also good exercise for your hands, isn't it? Comment down below if this is good exercise for you. Because I agree it is good exercise because you move your hands and you go like that and they poke, and it's also exercise for your fingers. So comment down below if you think playing with slime is also exercise awesome. And it's also fun.
I want you to squat 200 squat for the slime. Me 1 free.
Okay. Okay, so we got this of my slime. Now this time has come. I'm mixing this slime into this little show y'all, but I'm gonna see y'all Okay. So, this is my slime right here. I have it, and it's so fun. It's super deep when you poke on it. Oh my gosh, so sticky. And I will make a little bit more slime because I got a little bit more dye. And I don't know how to make it because it will be a big old mess. So, I'm mixing some more slime. So, I better get ready. See you in a second. I'm going to fill up my bowl and with some glue and a little bit of Tide. Then I'm going to start mixing. And I'm going to do the same thing I did a second ago. Bye, guys. See you in a second. Okay, so I decided to pour in the Tide sand how much for it. I just poured a little bit of glue because I don't want to go ahead and get some more Tide. I got that much Tide, so I don't want to go back. So I'm just going to pour in like this much. A little bit more, like about that much Tide, and I'm going to see it when it's all mixed. Okay guys, so I decided I wanted y'all to see it, and here it is. So now I'm just going to start kneading it with my hands. But first, let me put in a little bit of Tide. There it is. And yes, I'm just going to clean my bowl once this is all turned into real slime. Oh my gosh. I like it. It's so slimy. So slimy. Yeah, I just heard that. My sister said she hates slime, and she actually does. So, can I have your slime?
No, I love slime.
She's in the background.
No, I love slime.
Oh, okay.
I hope you get 30 likes and you love my slime.
Okay. So I'll see you in a minute when this has turned into slime. Bye guys. Just for now. Okay guys, so my slime is back and here it is. I finished it and I'm now going to clean my bowl. I tried cleaning it, but it just gets so hard to clean up.
Okay, now she make the slime. It's all done, pretty.
Okay, I cleaned down my bowl and here is my slime.
Her slime is pretty. She makes it so pretty. It's stretchy, awesome, nice color.
Okay, so now, oh, I have extra Tide. Wow, I'm gonna press the button. Okay. Okay. Ugh, I bit on it. Okay, so now I'm gonna make slime backwards. So I'll see you in a bit. Oh, first I'm gonna mix my slime. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I got my slime. Got my container and putting it in.
How much is the mixing it right now?
Here's my slime that I mixing in. And I will make a little bit of slime, but I'm gonna mix it backwards. But when I put in some Tide, I mix it up. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put Tide, mix it up, then we're gonna add glue, and that's it. Okay. So see you in a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna make this one back. I'm gonna go ahead and add all the Tide. Just kind of a little, cause I don't know. I really never made that slime backwards, so I'm scared I'm not gonna have enough. Okay, so like that much of glue. Come here, Justin. I'm here. Okay. So I got my spoon. This is how much glue I put in. Oh gosh. It moves like egg. So it's moving like egg. Okay. This is how it looks like. So now I'm gonna mix it all together.
And Darcy, that's a little backflips.
Okay. She doesn't do backflips.
She had to. Do it. It's Sophie. I hate Sophie. I put a little Sophie.
Okay. I'm gonna ask my sister. Justin, can you get some of my glue for me?
Right here.
Can you give me some glue for me? Oh, slime then. Do you want some slime? I'll make you some right now. Justin, get some glue for me. Well, I guess you don't get enough slime there. See you in a bit. Okay, I put in some glue now. I'm mixing it a little bit more because I thought it was high, but I had enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. This time I'm gonna show by seeing me mix it. I just normally like stretch it out like this and then bring it down. I'm just doing this. Just mix it and mix it.
That must be 7 o'clock when we can put the bed.
What time is it? 6:32. I thought you said 7:30. I was like, what? Okay. So I'm just mixing the slime. And this one's not going to be for me. This is going to be for my sis who's in the back. Oh, okay. I'll mix it in my slime. Okay, so I'm just going to put this back in the bowl. Extras. Okay. In the puppy world. Okay. Here's the slime. And here you go. 3, 2, 1. Well, we lost it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to mix this because she doesn't want it to be in her slime, but I was still putting in her slime. See you in a bit. Okay, I tried putting it in her container. She doesn't want to. Oh wow, she lost it. She doesn't want slime. I won't give her any slime. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back and end this vlog. So I got the top. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the extra, which it doesn't have any extra. Okay, a little. And tomorrow I will still be making slime. So make sure I watch my video tomorrow. It will be maybe like early in the morning. I don't know. Okay. So I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe, and as I said, I post every single day. I hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.